This is a water manifold. So each one of these blocks will have a 63mm supply going into them and terminating at one of these. What this does is allows each flat to have a 25mm supply from each one of these manifold ways. The manifold itself has stop taps on it, so each supply can be isolated, and where the blue discs are, these are removed and the meter is screwed in accordingly. For the last plot, the client asked for a landlord supply so they could have an outside tap, so they could put a hose pipe on it to feed the plants. And in that case, because they don't make an 8-way manifold in Yorkshire Water's area, we actually have to install 2. Now, a manifold can be installed internally to that 63mm supply, as I said, or it can be installed externally in a chamber in the ground, at which point the pipework goes into the back and it just sits in the ground like that, and the cover covers the manifold and the meters up and protects them from the weather.